So as you can see, everything came well packed. This is the charger. 3 amp charger was provided as a standard. They also have a 4 amp for faster charging. So this is very beautiful deck, as you can see. You got the nice curve. This is the first one, not the actual you will get now. It's updated. This motors are beautiful. The deck is stamped with Verreal. Looks like burned into the bamboo. It's a 9-layer. It's 7 layer of Canadian maple, 2 layers bamboo, top and bottom. The design of the flower is alright, I guess. And the trucks are branded with Verreal RS brand. As you can see, very nice. The wheels, 78 diameter. Very squishy, very soft, very grippy. You don't feel nothing on the road with them. The double kingpins, this is my first time riding with them. It's amazing. So everything is well crafted and beautiful. The width of the wheelbase is 13.5 inches, as you can see. The contact patch on the wheel are 2.5 inches. It's very nice. The height from the deck is 2.5, actually 2.25 inches tall. This thing, we call it sea salt, sprayed on. Not too in love with it, but it do the job. So I paired this up with this remote, first generation hobby wing. The reason why I will tell you further on into the video. So here I'm just testing to see how the pedal, any movement, vibrations, and it seems to be perfectly aligned. I mean, Big did an amazing job. It's 13 months on designing and testing and on the making of this. So this is an awesome job. As you can see here, no vibrations whatsoever. The belts are very aligned. I mean, this is just perfection at its best. The wheels, of course, you have to check, make sure that everything is tied up. Wheel had a little play on it, so I just take my skate tool, tie it up. Also, the trucks were a little bit loose, so you use the skate tool on the bottom and provide an Allen wrench on the top, and just make sure everything is tight before it's right. That's something standard that everybody should do. I use a 14mm, or I think it's 9/16 open wrench to access the bottom kingpin. They came fully loose. The skate tool would not fit correctly on it, so you need an open wrench. The battery that I got is 14 amp hour. It's really beautiful. Hobby Wing ESC, custom made for RS. It's got a foam part on the bottom for vibration. Metal casing is actually aluminum. It's 14 amp hour. And lead right. So you can see for this price, we even got the same size screws. I know you know what I'm talking about. So let's go for a ride and test this out. Okay, so I just rode the 40 mile and battery at 50 and I haven't charged it. So 50%, and I could tell you it was fast speed. Yeah. Wow, this is amazing. Like, my hot motors get harder than this. Seriously. The bridge. That up there, that's the William Byrne Bridge. See a lot of people here. Yeah, I'm gonna continue riding it and I'll get back to you at the next checkpoint. You know what the distance, but I came from Brooklyn all the way to the city to my hand. So yeah, I'll get back to you. So I'm back in Brooklyn. My feet are killing me a little bit. Battery is showing 2 on the blinker. As you can see that. So, and I'm pretty sure I already have 13-14 miles. I don't know how long it's been. I'm gonna put it at the end of the video. Now I think I still have 2. I got 1 in a blinker. I'll show you here. I don't know if you can see that. I have experienced no battery lag or sag or anything like that. It's just crazy. I went to the city and back now in the middle of Brooklyn. Actually, this is kind of a Queens. It's called Highland Park. So I'm taking a chill pill right here, and I'll get back to you in a little while. Still going strong. If you could hear, still have the same bike as torque, acceleration, power, whatever you want to call it. We'll get back. Just got the first vibration on the remote. I just check the tracking app I'm using for bicycles, but same thing. Don't mind the calories. I'm not burning that many. It's been 22 miles. Got 1 solid light battery. Oh, look at this. Got a kick. Just got back to my house. I don't know what the mileage that I got, but vibrating, and see what we got. We got a solid light, 1 battery. That's 25% still, and I told you the outcome of the battery. It is vibrating, man. The reason I got this controller is because the new LED remotes, well, they didn't ship it. Well, actually they did, but it hasn't get here. So I use this controller from my F1 Verreal, and pair it up, and I've been riding this for 2 days now. I don't think it works as good because it keeps vibrating most of the time. Like if I put it about maybe, I would say 10 feet away from it, it vibrates. So it's, anyway, the other one's on the way, and I will come back and do another review. Catch you guys. So this is my second ride. Conclusion, I got 23.99 miles. That's 23 mile an hour top speed, and the battery is 25% on the remote, so each line represents 25%, so we have 25% left. Okay, so in conclusion to the video, I hated double kingpins, but now I'm comfortable with them. I'll figure out a way how to actually make them feel like regular trucks. Just tighten the pushing closer to the deck, tighter than the one outside on the bottom of it. Yeah, 24 miles, and I have 25% battery left, so that's pretty good. I'm pretty sure we could get 30 miles out of this. If you want to see that or something, comment below or subscribe. If I get over 100, then we will do way better. Wrong lane. Okay. Not you. So I'll catch you shortly. I'm just skating over here a little bit. Good one. All right. Peace.